Dear learner, today I am going to discuss the concept of operators and expressions in C language. Operators are basically some symbols which are used to operate on operands. An expression is a combination of variables, constants, and operators written according to the syntax of the language. Here in this program code, three integer variables are declared, which are a, b, and s. 20 is assigned to a and 30 is assigned to b. After that, one statement is written where s equal to a plus b. That means addition of these two variables, a plus b, is stored in this variable s. After that, result is displayed with the help of a printf statement. Here, s equal to a plus b is an expression, and the plus is an operator, which is an arithmetic operator. C language consists of numbers of operators, which are arithmetic, logical, relational, assignment, conditional, bitwise operators, unary operators, comma operators, and size of operators. Now, what is an arithmetic operator? The operator which are used for arithmetic operations is known as arithmetic operator. Arithmetic operators can be applied to any integer and floating point number. The addition, subtraction, multiplication, division operators perform the usual arithmetic operations in C programs, and the modulus operator, which is indicated with a percentage symbol, finds the remainder of an integer division. Modulus operator is only applied to integer operand and cannot be used on float or double type operands. In this statement, 9 mod 4 equal to 1. That means when 9 is divided by 4, the remainder will be 1. Similarly, 5 mod 3, it will give 2. When 5 is divided by 3, that means the modulus operation is done. Then the remainder will be 2. Modulus operator always gives us the remainder. Here a simple C program is written to show the use of all arithmetic operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, along with modulo division operation. First, two numbers are taken as input in the variable n1 and n2. Then in the variable sum, addition of these two values are stored. In the variable sub, subtraction of n1 and n2 is stored. In the variable mul, product of two numbers is stored. In the variable division, n1 divided by n2 is stored, and the variable mod mode, n1 mode n2, that means remainder will be stored. This program will give the output as per our requirements when we enter two numbers as input. Now, what is logical operator? There are three types of logical operator. One is logical AND, other is logical OR, and the logical NOT. Logical AND operator is used to simultaneously evaluate two conditions with some relational operators. If the condition on both the sides of the logical operator is true, that means 1, then the whole expression will be true. In this program code, one if statement is written. Within the if statement, one condition is given: A greater than B and A greater than C. That means if A greater than B is true and A greater than C is true, then only the value of A is assigned to max. That means both the conditions should be true. And this is a truth table for logical AND. If the first condition is false, second is also false, then the result will be false. Again, first one is false, second one is true, that means 1, then the result will be false. If the first condition is true, that means 1, and the second is 0, then the result will be 0. If both the conditions are true, that is both the conditions are 1 1, then the result will be 1. In case of logical OR, if both or one of the conditions on the left hand side and the right hand side of the logical operator is true, then the whole expression will be true. And this is the truth table for logical OR operator. Logical NOT operator takes a single expression and negates the value of the expression. That means if the condition is true, then if we apply logical NOT, then it will become false. Now I'm coming to relational operators. Relational operators can be used to determine the relationship between operands. Relational operator returns true or false value depending on whether the conditional relationship between the two operands holds or not. These are the relational operators in C language: less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, double equal to sign indicates the actual equal to, and not equal to is denoted by this symbol. Now, assignment operators. Single equal to sign is used for assignment operator. Suppose I want to store a value 5 to a variable x, then I will write x equal to 5. That means 5 is assigned to x. The assignment operator, which is denoted by a single equal to sign, and the equality operator, which is denoted by double equal to sign, are distinctly different. The assignment operator is to assign a value to an identifier, whereas the equality operator is used to determine if two expressions have the same value. Now, I am going to discuss one ternary operator, which is known as conditional operator. The symbol question mark and one colon is used to denote this conditional operator. Here, three operands are used, so it is known as ternary operator. In this syntax, expression 1 is evaluated first. If the expression is true, then expression 2 is evaluated and its value becomes the value of the expression. If expression 1 is false, expression 3 is evaluated and its value becomes the value of the expression. And only one of the expression is evaluated at a time. Now here is a question: what will be the value of x in the following code? In this code, a conditional operator is used. 10 is assigned to A and 15 is assigned to B. X equal to A greater than B, question mark, A colon B. Here, the output of this statement, that means X will be the value of B, that means 15. Because A equal to 10, 10 greater than 15. This is false. So the second expression, that is B, value of B will be assigned to this variable X. This is one program to show the use of conditional operator. Here, age is taken as an input and it is stored in the variable age. After that, if age is greater than or equal to 18, if the age is greater than or equal to 18, then it will display a message: you can vote, otherwise you cannot vote. Suppose the user entered the age 24, then it will give the second expression, this will give the first expression: you can vote. That means A is greater than equal to 24. This condition will be true, so it will give the first expression: you can vote.